Ebusia aha Island Media GS and then the first time about channel so I like video and share then leave your decent comment or comment section or you are back in Kayama. Ebusia SMB viral or social media no so message so Benjamin no come on ya video na buy beto aso.
My statement is just simple. Yes, it is good to eulogize JB DANQUAH. It is good to espouse some of the good things he did. And I won't stand here and say he never did anything good. But it's important to appreciate the fact that he betrayed his state. In fact, Martin Maridev book, Mr. Speaker.
He was a traitor. He was a traitor. Sit down.
He was a CIA.
Sit down. Sit down.
Before I walk into this chamber, I am quoting Martin Meredith's book of the State of Africa. He described JB DANQUAH as one of CIA agents who was paid to betray his country. These are not my words. These are not my words. Mr. Speaker, I have a copy. I have a copy of that book in my office.
No way. Are you also a Russian?
He played no role in the building of Abuakwa Dam.
When the genesis of daughter of emergence and Semru, Honorable Mutale Muhammad, and some are about JB DANQUAH, now a Dr. ZENATOR RAWLINGS, AJJ RAWLINGS, the Babano MP, wash a microphone call for now or press it on. Ama a Honorable Mutale Muhammad, so possible boom in the parliament. So Honorable Mutale Muhammad, or Shani Ayakoswana, or yes, or Nasi, and a Dr. ZENATOR RAWLINGS, AJJ RAWLINGS, the Babano, or sorry, yes, or bedding, or Lakasa, and a daughter of emergence set down with him. But this essence of a course of Parliament House, no, Niani Diabe, Hepa, a daughter of a murderer, and Samano, as I said, who came a voter regina, and him for any voters with Benet Juma, I speaker, Sani Pana, Oka, San Samano, Sia JJ Rollins, on Chanaso. This week, Yamuna, right honorable speaker, Albans Manakis from Babu Grando, says Sani Pana, Oka, daughter of a murderer, initially number 4 point fingers at Honorable Abujina, Baba Monti Sayano. So, speaker, this week, or the ultimate Babonto Bechem said, O Masani Pana 1 week, and then the only in the way he said, or no, Noka San Samano. And on Andra, Yankee JB DANQUAH, the Muslim for more Akyem Abuakwa, or Muslim Muslim said. Sadana Obika, daughter of a Medrano, says Speaker or Yankee Shamudia, almost or modest year JB DANQUAH, or Musu Kakasemi Fan was said, or your CIA agent, not just a Kwame Kuma Pudi once and Samano, and your JB DANQUAH no shades or my information. Or Moko JB DANQUAH baby Musino, I just said, remember your money or one.
Ampa, Uyebi, our parliament, and sa parliament Kroya, I will do Moja, a 2 ho, a more chimai, and Kasenchie, and Mguasia, and Fata. On your gobi, Wogu, a bad sayno, Ochimai, Yediano, Yenim, and Unti, Akyem entrance, Yabanaso, Yanua Bekasa, the petition, Akyem. Speaker, Nana was any, a flower, Nani, so Nipako, oh dear, or dog, the Akuya, Ahubrasia, the Buagan and tea, Umpanabon, Nemo, ye goon sa, Setayachi, no machines, Alpha Chopper, Nasa, or see, Alpha Chopper Maria, Nananum, yes, yeah, then you hear them. We are all here to show our concern to the Speaker of Parliament that somebody has brutally insulted our dear beloved Dr. JB DANQUAH upon all he had done for this nation. He doesn't deserve that. So we are here to pour libation on the tomb and send our petition to the Speaker by tomorrow. That's all.
What are you requesting from the Speaker?
For the person to withdraw what he said. That's all.
Even this CIA agent, and Samno, and Drax, this match on the Crampon, Ghana Mampany, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, on the contrary, we say, US for our million Shishamuku Pano, I on Mancasa document we are about in the practice. Kwame Nkrumah, Kwame Mofasu Tuno, a CIA for no Musechi, not say CIA, not Mutale Muhammad, and some of our Kano, Simon Pepe, and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, on the Soka. And on a Anopaway, Captain for just match the type post. What's it near Akyem Abuakwa Traditional Council? I hear from Modia Babo and Tiano Moka Kaba JB DANQUAH. Captain could do smart, just as someone, the beer or Capono. I'm not it.
And Rabbi will sign him for you, Eastern region, or a good son with JB DANQUAH, so said JB DANQUAH, and yet she will come out. JB DANQUAH, JB DANQUAH, Munchen achievement ba ko pe. Ono ani krom ofi. Ono ani krom JB Dankwa, ono ani krom hokura no. Munchen ade ba ko pe. Oh krom. But I know another day's discussion. But some beba parliament. Momra. Moberi a obia pe obi ofi ni krom na wabona baso. No problem. But the atien say, "One bob bew, yen chrew chew." Oyere. And then MPP for you fi buzia. Really? Me, I am in pet tribal politics. Meaning Jehunkra. But I do maybe as a central region, western region, Volta region, Greater. Obian shisha nipa one ni menimua. Or ye BB Emma Ghana. Look, me, I will never stop saying that. JB Dankwa, Sawufa the time. Any Kwame Nkrumah Jawadi, and JB Dankwa no concern. Eh? Or the Kwame Nkrumah won concern sa JB Dankwa no. San Rami kind letter ba ko kire o. Some of his letters ni bi wo ha Adam de be to TV so no. Won wa omo kogu nsa wasie ho no, wo mesa omo chia ko mu fie. Won wa ekwa asie ho kogu nsa egu JB Dankwa nda so no. Me se concern JB Dankwa di wo Ghana ho. Hey, let nobody try. Yes, if you chrome, we agree. We chrome one of you, you know we agree. It is of you chrome now per se. We said and you nyama and yama sabo. But the Etienne say, and Ukrabia esieno. Yabeka. And now Murafi say, JB Dankwa ne can say, Akoso Modam, Sakwame Nkrumah betimi ewu, akwaba, no wu, no akwaba. Ontimi nya Akoso Modam, and I'm Murafi. And JB Dankwa ne kai. Sakwame Nkrumah be wu, akwaba, no wu, no akwaba. Akoso Modam, ontimi si. And so I do baby no, nankro for kontokwa, so mo pekanea, ako JB Dankwa krum. Akoso Modam kro ya, Kwame Nkrumah si ye no. There are documents to show. Kede Match Factory. Asama na JB Dankwa troye. Sa Kwame Nkrumah besi matches factory. Eti Kwame Nkrumah bechre Ghana for nkwada said yesi nom jot. JB Dankwa na kai. I want to stand, Abraham. Nonsense. Ye JB Dankwa na kai. Meanwhile, checking abusu for ye adwuma okede. Match Factory ho. Ade ya me ya wo Ghana ha de say. Yetna se. Emma, enkrofobia na wo fra wo ho professors. Dane Ghana your history. First one, Professor Abuakwa, former flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party. Professor Abuakwa, Dane Ghana history nani Tron said you know if he said no necessary enkrofobia, and people went to secondary schools to read Professor Abuakwa's history books. Meanwhile, 80% of all the things that he wrote were not correct. And I am challenging any professor of history to come here, young Fanto, date and time. They twisted our history to suit the UP tradition because they had the backing of the CIA. Now you see, America, for they have a day, years, when we declassify information about any maybe a woman in Crophobia. Me say, ye den krata ane beba. No one who dear CIA for boy, meetings are one Ghana for the be ya. JB Dankwa non ka ho. Na JB Dankwa ka ho. Was JB Dankwa not part of those who went to Salt Pond? So we are UGCC for meeting these CIA people for the overthrow of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. What are we talking about in this country? I am challenging the professors of history. Come here. You before said that Danny Ghana history, then Professor Aaron Michael Kwe, former Speaker of Parliament. I respect him and I love him so much. Obepe flag bearer ready with MPP. Me na me kind of profile. They na ye launching the campaign. Oh, Kumasi, Busano. Nobody should try to glorify anybody far and above Kwame Nkrumah. And ye bia mo Eastern region mo rafi. Say JB Dankwa can say Kwame Nkrumah kwaji aduro. And the ambassador hotel, I walk for you. It is so real cra, more Bianco hotel. Have you people forgotten that? He wrote, or Troy, Kwame Nkrumah, Hanky and Nation bottom nail tuntum. Yes, hey, wakodi aduro. Na edi paso de we yeda na okuta hanki tuntum. O de to ho. Okofa white handkerchief a Ghana fo so wakwaje kankan nyame afrigini. Bosoma na konfo ba na tigini e friend kankan. Chi kasa kankan chesa ade e bon. Ayen tabi dankwa de kan. Samo bi anko. Enkwada ambassador hotel. Ewo eye kofodia. Na kwa me kuma de aduro akwahye ho. Ukwada ho a obewu. When Park Grant called a meeting about how JB DANQUAH led gangs and disturbed Kwame Nkrumah, ewo Ghana has said Emma Kwame Nkrumah enya hoto ewo Nkrumah has obebu maino. What happened at that meeting? JB DANQUAH said that he was late, so he came in a polo shirt. Our peja ne kon. And the same thing is what Nanado did. I am waiting for those people who are saying, say, Obiaka said JB DANQUAH anyehwe wo Ghana into be sen ko parliament. Adam mo be ko parliament be wi no. Enema mehwe egu TV we so mo be bob nsama ma Ghana.
Reaction when the captain could just smart, what did you get after say, Akyem Abuakwa Traditional Council for Mobile Parliament House, maybe and say, Obiaka Kese be 8 JB DANQUAH. Now, I don't know how to him say, oh, Akyem Abuakwa Traditional Council, oh, maybe I know more for Parliament and it is you, Mobile because what Sanya, Umuji Apaye, or JB DANQUAH, and that's not, Musa and Nano Munyabri. Ampanyampa, Akyem Abuakwa Traditional Council, or would you say, Ayo, I just on my stormy Parliament House.
JB DANQUAH. I want JB DANQUAH. I think they do.
The concerns presented would definitely be brought to the attention of the Right Honourable Speaker for his appropriate, response. Okay. We want to assure you that Parliament remains responsive to the needs of the public and concerns of the public. In that regard, in due course, I believe that the Right Honourable Speaker may take the appropriate action he deems fit in that regard. Thank you very much for this, exercise.
I wish I made us be so I Jimmy Akyem when I make video about and then the first time about channel so I like video and share and leave you to send comment or comment section as it. Therefore, from you, Akyem, I made us be macron.